For this lecture, let's learn how do we calculate area and perimeter for squares and rectangles. In square, all the sides are equal and all internal angles are 90 degrees. So here is a square where all sides are same. So I am taking it as A. Then internal angles, that is this one, this one, this one and this one. All the four angles are 90 degrees. Now coming to the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal and all the internal angles are again 90 degrees. So here is the diagram. So opposite sides A and the other two sides are B and B. Now internal angles again same, it is 90 degrees, all the four are 90 degrees. Now for these two figures we need to find out the area and perimeter. Area we already know, it is base into height. So here in a square, base is A and height is also A, therefore A into A is A square. How about perimeter? Perimeter is sum of the sides, so 4 times of A, that is 4A. Now coming to the rectangle, again area is base into height, so base is B and height is A, so it is AB. How about perimeter? Perimeter is sum of the sides, so we have 2 A's and 2 B's, so 2 into A plus B, this is the perimeter. Now the questions won't be direct, so they will not ask you to find the area or perimeter, they will give you slightly tricky question. So let's quickly get into it. Here is a question. A rectangular plot 55 meters long and 45 meters broad has two concrete crossroads of equal width running in the middle of it, one parallel to the length and the other parallel to the breadth. The rest of the plot is used as lawn. If the area of the lawn is 1911 meter square, what is the width of each of the crossroads? And few options are there. To understand this, let's draw a diagram where the length is 55 meters and the breadth is 45 meters. And the width of the crossroads they have not given. So let me assume this to be x, and even this part also will remain as x. Apart from this, couple of other data is given. First one is the area of the lawn, which is 1911 meter square. To solve this question, we need the area of the crossroads, not the lawn. Lawn is this part. So in order to get the area of the crossroad, I'll calculate the area of the whole rectangle, then subtract the lawn. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 55 into 45, 2475 meter square. With this we can get the area of crossroads. The area of crossroads will be, subtract these two, that is 2475 minus 1911, which is 564 meter square. So this 564 meter square is this whole part, this one as well as this one. Now you can clearly see this part is actually overlapping the central part. So let's write this in mathematical notation. So first let me take this part, which is length into breadth, that is 45 into x. Then this part, which is 55 into x. Now I'll subtract the central area, this part, which is minus of x square. This whole quantity is equal to 564. So if I solve this, this is x square minus 100x plus 564 equals 0. X minus 6, x minus 94 equals 0, or x is 6 or 94. Now clearly you can see it cannot be 94 because the values are bound by 45 and 55. Therefore the answer has to be 6. Therefore option C. Let's try one more question. The areas of a square and rectangle are equal. If the length of the rectangle is 8 meters more than the side of the square and its breadth is 6 meters less than the side of the square, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? So here they have given two things, one is a square, the second one is a rectangle. Then they said area of the square is equal to the area of the rectangle, but they did not give the side lengths. So let me assume the side length of square is x, and they mentioned that rectangle length is 8 meters more than the length of the square, therefore this will be x plus 8, and breadth is 6 meters less, so x minus 6. And because the areas are equal, we can equate area of square equals area of rectangle, that is x square equals x plus 8 into x minus 6. This is x square equals x square plus 2x minus 48, or x is 24 meters. But that's not the answer. They're asking us to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. So we should know the length and the breadth. Length we can calculate from this, x plus 8. So 24 plus 8. So length will be 32. Then breadth is x minus 6. So 24 minus 6, that is 18. So these values we can substitute. This is 2 times of 32 plus 18, that is 2 times of 50, that is 100 meters. Therefore, option A. So that was the concept of squares and rectangles.